Hi, it's Miss Davis here. Today we're talking about Module 4, Lesson 24. And in this lesson we're talking about being able to add a pair of two-digit numbers when the one digit has a sum that's less than or equal to 10. Now looking at this, 24 plus 13. Now 24 plus 13, I know that I'm going to decompose. But whenever I'm decomposing, it doesn't matter which number necessarily that I break apart. But I'm going to break apart the smaller number and keep the bigger number intact. So I know that 13 is my smaller number. So I'm going to break apart 13, the 10 way, into 10, 3. And I'm going to add that 10 to 24. Well, 24 plus 10, well, I know that means I'm adding just one more to that 2, that 10's place. So I know that that's 34. And then 34 plus 3, well, I know I'm adding 3 more to the 4, so I know that that's 37. I know that 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay, because I know that 24 plus 13 is 37. Now I'm going to check this with a picture. So 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And then at 13, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I'm going to count it. Do my 10s first. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. So check, I got 37. Alright guys, that's it for this video.